So I have a small movement under the Russian microscope, and this is the magnification 0.6 times 8, and I'm going to show the zoom function. This is 2 times 8, 1 times 8, 7 times 8, and 2 times 8, and 4 times 8. So these are the possibilities. This is back to 0.6. So this is the smallest magnification, and this is the biggest magnification possible with this microscope, with this accessory set. And yeah, of course it's fantastic that it stays sharp no matter which magnification you choose. Thank you for watching. So this is the same, but then with the light from under, with the mirror. And this is the smallest magnification, 0.6, 2 times 8, 1 times 8, 7 times the biggest magnification, 2 times and 4 times, back to the smallest. So with light from under, and I can change it and put it back from above. Yeah, thank you for watching.